Okay, third elevator ride, take 2. See, there's the RV park across the street.
How many people live there?
Jenny was asking. Well, I told her she said something about an RV. I said, well, there's an RV park across the street from our house. All right. Come on. Hey, these elevators, come on. Come on. Sorry, this is a new camera. I'm just playing with it, so sorry if it's all jerky. There's the boys. Okay, come on. Hey, come on. Don't let them jump. Come on.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Come on, sit down. Sit. Well, Romeo, sit. Romeo. Romeo, make him sit.
Sit. Pretty dogs.
Thank you. We just got him yesterday
Oh, did you?
from a rescue in Texas.